In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your email address on Binance. This is important for enhancing account security, especially if your current email has been compromised, is no longer accessible, or is used across multiple platforms and may be vulnerable. To do this, simply head to Binance. You want to tap right here, and then head to your profile. Here, head to the security option. You will see the email option. Head to it. You will then tap right here. Now check these boxes and then tap on Continue. You will then receive a verification code via your current email. Enter it to proceed. Now here, enter your new email. Then the verification code sent to that new email. And once done, tap on Submit. Your email will change successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to change your email address on Binance. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.